G'day guys, it's Cole from the Two Traders here. Today I'm going to take you through some analysis on coffee, nat gas, pound, dollar, euro, pound. We're going to start off with coffee. I'm going to show you a few levels I've got marked out on the chart here. So this first level here, this is a support level from 2013, I believe. Yep, just around about over here. And then the bottom level is one where we broke through and we set a new support level here. This was a few months ago. I remember catching a move actually down here before going back up. So that last support level was automatically weakened a little bit, and now, so when we come back down to test it, we ended up consolidating before breaking. And if we have a little zoom in on that, you can see we broke and we've consolidated down at this lowest low here. And what it is I'm expecting to happen now, I'm expecting this to roll over and we're going to head back up to this supply zone just here before potentially coming back down again, hitting the support from 2013, and that's been breached. But I'm expecting this market to turn up now, if I'm honest, because this level here is going to be a tough one to go any lower than. If it does, then obviously we flip our view on it, and we would look to be selling again. But it's a market to watch for. As soon as we see these moving averages swap, we'll look at buying this market again. Right, so on to nat gas now. We are at low lows again here. This level, I believe, is held for, let's have a look, few years. Let me have a look at this one. So yes, 2.5 years roughly. So we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches, and it's held. So that's showing us that that's a strong support, which I knew it would be after this. After we hit this high as well, it's quite obvious that we were going to come back down from there. These are levels that often hold. What our aim is to catch it. Not catch it, sorry. We're looking to look for the confirmation before getting in the move. So at the moment, I'm not in the move because I want to see what happens at this level here now. We could potentially come back down before heading up to here. We could break through, but yeah, I'll be looking to buy on the upside, just up here, really, anywhere here. Once we see that hold, yeah, what I don't really want to see at the moment is it just consolidate here. It's a market I do want to get involved in, so sooner I see a break, I'm going to look to buy that market. But yeah, we've got this rising. This could potentially make a new resistance level. Hopefully, we're going to go through that. So we'll see. Time will tell. So on to pound dollar. Let's go back out to the daily. So I've got a couple of supply zones on here. As you can see, I've spoke about this in a recent video. I draw these zones on. This zone's here. They get touched. I know people use support and resistance. I do too. But if you was using that here, you've not touched it. These zones are larger, and price often touches the bottom or top if we're coming down before reversing, and then the second time we normally see it break through. So what we've seen here, we've come back down, we've tested this level here. Look at this here, we've got this large candle here, so large wick, and that's where a lot of the buyers stepped in, and we've seen it go back up straight through. But then up here you can see we've got another zone, which is this zone just here, and again it's held. So potentially what I'm going to see happen here, we might come back down to around this level, touch this level, and then we're going to head up, hopefully head up, break through this level, and then we're going to look up to around 135. Be nice to get some trades and then start buying the market, but I do want to see it flip again here. On the other hand, we could see a break through this one, and then we're going to look down to the next demand zone, which would be this level here. And as you can see, what we've sort of we're in a channel at the moment as well. So let's see if this level holds. If it doesn't hold, then this is where we're looking to head to. Just keep your eyes on that one, guys. There's a few zones to look out for. Onto the euro pound. So it's been pretty volatile recently. We've broken through some levels. You can see here, going back almost 2 years now. So we've broke through these levels. So this was a low here, April 18, so just less than a year ago. And what we've done, we've broke through that level, and price, as you can see, it will almost certainly come back up and test the level, which for the moment has held. We've held and we've come back down. So the two options are, we're going to either break this level here. We're either going to break through here, and then I'm going to go to the weekly chart, so it'll be easier to mark this zone on. So the next zone I'd be looking at is here. So if we break through, I'm going to imagine we're going to touch this before heading back up. The potential is we're going to head up to around about here before coming back down, testing, and then back up to this demand zone up here, supply zone up here. This I can't. It could be broken, but you can see here, if we can stretch that out. There's a lot of that's held here. It's a strong level, so we're going to have to wait and see how that reacts to that level. My guess is, and what I favour, is we're going to head back up. It would be nice to see us break through that level, because the downside potential is there's quite a lot of potential there. If we do break through that level, there's a big move on the cards. Yeah, I think we'll head back up, if I'm honest. You've got to look out for these supply and demand zones. They do work and hold. They get tested. The sooner you get to grips with them, the better. So I can draw on a zone here. See that straight from there. That's a fresh zone. Gets tested. We come back up. Tested again. Almost broke, but we've got weaker, and then we head through it. And I can draw these on the chart all day long. They're not always gonna break, but the majority of the time they will hold or break. So if I draw one on here, you're going to see again, price touches back down, we break through. By the time we come back through here, this zone's weakened, and we're going to head back up. I like to use a daily. It depends what you're looking at, what you can use. So all I can say is, if you can practice this, look for these zones. The way we look for them, we're looking for a long wick. I use fractals as well. That can help as well. So watch these markets. I'm not going to go into any others right now, because these are the ones at certain levels I'm watching for. And we're just going to see how we go from here. If you have any questions at all, just message me or Dave. We're pretty quick at getting back to people. We'll help you out, even if it's something simple, something silly that you're not quite sure of, the only way you're going to learn is by asking those questions. And what we want you to be successful too. So just get in touch with us and keep working hard, guys. Right, that's it for today, and I'll be back to speak with you in the next couple of days. I'll probably record another video, or Dave will. Yeah, thanks a lot, guys, and see you later.